Welcome back, guys. Your boy Catloco, and a few people gonna be pissed.
You don't know my struggle, you don't know my struggle, you don't know my hustle, you don't know my hustle. Step pops gon' try me, had to show my muscle. Fuck they don't trust, fuck they don't trust. Yeah, it's that baby boy. It's lit.
So this is what we actually came to look at today. This is '89 Chevy Caprice wagon. So I got the Euros on there. The bumper is a little rusty, but it does have these little lights though, these little lenses. You can polish those up. Actually, that one's cracked. That one's decent, just need to buff it out. This is all deteriorated and gone right here. So, look like someone used a paintbrush to paint this. I can see the strokes. Yeah, this Euro clip's gone. Yeah, they actually painted. That's like house paint. See the strokes? These Euro lights are good. The grill's good. So I got the little Chevy on there. I'm guessing this is like a 305. Got a new oil pump, looks like a fuel pump, sorry. That looks pretty new. Someone took the carb, stripped the cap. The alternator's gone. The radiator says 90 Suburban. Like I was strapped in. So someone really tried to use whatever they had to save this thing. Like, I know a lot of people need this little refill container, but you can buy that new, I believe. This inner fender, I know JP and a few people need it, but this one's kind of rusted. Probably can, I mean, if you have to have it, probably could save it. But
Goodbye.
Yeah. Get back, guys. My phone done died on me. I had to get a battery pack, a jump box. This is the Caprice wagon. Like I said, this thing is rough. Someone done painted on it, man. Look at this crap. Got holes all in it. That was like the radio I had in mind, I think. But there's a few pieces people can use, but it's far and few in between, basically. I don't really see anything worth saving. Because this is bad. Yeah. And that just like screams murder weapon. Murder weapon. no prints. But yeah. Anyway, I want to show you this wagon. I didn't know it was a wagon actually. But let's go take a look at another one. The things you do for YouTube. So let's see if we can get down here without dying. It's all ice. But yeah, man, my phone died like at the other car. But this is the other one. Box Chevy. '89. I was there earlier. The radio was here, but one dude came up and he said he wanted to put it in his Caprice. He doing like a console, so he wanted the stock radio up top, the console down below. Told him I didn't need it, so go ahead and take it. Someone already took all the stuff out the switches, and so I would have got those. Inside ain't really too bad, to tell you the truth. Sun visor's still there. Little dome light. It's pretty much almost immaculate. I give it about 7 or 8. Well, the panel piece is still here. Minus the door over there. Got a little dent right there. Big dent there. But most of the trim's still here. Back seat. Got the rear deck. You see a lot of water got in here. It's frozen down there. Frozen over there. The rear lights were in here too. I told him to go ahead and take those. I don't need them. So he took that. Those little side pieces gone. I think I do need this little bracket to keep mine in. A lot of chrome trim down there, but I don't know how good it is. I took the little emblem there. All ice. Man, this thing got smashed on both sides. But the rear glass is good. All the windows look good. Can't use the doors. The hood smashed. I mean, even the seat posts look good. Still got the cluster. Your tilt. Oh, I'm slipping on ice. I think the windshield's good, but I'm not sure. He must have left it. Did he leave it? Okay, so he took the... You just need that right bezel. But he left the air light itself. The whole clip's busted. And I know he took the rear lights. Got one cap on here. $1989 box Chevy. And right now it's freezing, it's cold. See what it is. It's actually 31, but it's That wind chill is fierce. You can see all the ice. Well, let's check out one more car. Saying ain't so. I think Chevy Rider gave up on it. Got the 90 Rivy. Yeah, this is Chevy Rider special right here. 90 Buick. Inside tore up. I think the same thing happened to LS. Seats and door panels. This one had the leather, or what was left of it. This one actually still had the lights, very pristine too. Proudly served. Airborne. LS's Army. Got like a little moonshine jar. Little siphon hose. But anyway, this is what we came for. This is the car I actually came to come see. 93 Caprice. This thing been here since like November. A little tore up. Snow everywhere. But this is what I was actually coming for. If you look at the tank, see all those little holes? Yeah, one there, two. Then you got a couple down there too. Two more over there. So I'm pretty sure that's where they drilled out the tank. Because I was gonna get this tank, these straps, and a heat shield for my swap. But I can't do anything with holes in the tank. So that's a bust. So my other question is if I can find it somewhere cheaper, because these 90s tanks are hard to find for some reason, unless you go to like Impala Mike. And maybe I can work out a deal with a junkyard to get me one.
Nope.
Before they drill holes in and process it. But yeah, man, I already had an idea that they were gonna drill holes in these tanks to get all the fluids out. But I wanted to check it out. Anyway guys, this is your boy Catloco. Remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.